Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, I will talk about something called suburban life. That word suburban is a little bit complicated, so let me explain exactly what it means. Imagine that we have a scale. At the bottom of the scale, we have rural places like farms or very small villages where there are just a few homes. At the top of the scale, we have cities with many buildings and very busy streets. At the top, we can use another word instead of city. We can say the word urban. That's an adjective. So we can say cities are urban places. So we have urban places at the top and rural places at the bottom. What is in the middle? Well, in English, if we say sub, we mean below. So suburban, below urban, that's suburban. We don't say suburban, we say suburban. When I was growing up in America, I lived in suburban places. So, there were many cars on the roads and very few motorbikes. It was not as busy as a city, though. There were many parks and swimming pools in fields near my house. If you live in a suburban area, please tell me about it in the comments. Where I lived, all the homes, or almost all the homes, were not touching each other. So one house was here and another house was here. They did not touch. In cities, apartments and some houses often touch. That is a big difference between city life and suburban life. In suburban areas, there are many businesses, but not as many as cities have. If you live in a suburban area, what do you like to do where you live? When I was growing up, I liked to go to parks and also ride rollerblades around my neighborhood. My parents still live in a suburban area in America, but now I live in a rural area in Vietnam. I will talk about that in the next video. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.